What's up, YouTube? It's your brother Smoke. Today we're tapping in from the office. We're gonna be working on a 2022 Yamaha R6, and this bad boy came in. Yep, leaking oil, won't start. Customer wrote it over here and was coming in for some spark plugs and the basic tune-up. So I had him ride the bike to the front of the shop because that's where I was currently at, and he pretty much pushed it over here. So a spark plug job became a diagnostic, and I'm gonna show you guys how to take this thing apart. So first off, we can go ahead and make sure of what we don't want to know. Hopefully this thing does not need an engine replacement. We won't know until we do this. So let me go ahead and start taking it apart. Follow along. We're gonna start out by removing the Allens. This bike's equipped with a frame slider. It's gonna have a screw. Up top for this panel, you got the little clips. Push it in. Inside the panel, you got an Allen right here. Under the panel, you got two plastic clips right here. Get those out. So once that is out, be one more clip up top. Alrighty, plastic is out of the way. Let's go ahead and get a pan for some oil so you don't make a mess. Good thing I noticed. That was about to cause a real big mess. Alright, I'm gonna have to use this pan. It's already got some oil in there. We're only dumping the excess oil off the stage. Alright, and the only reason why we were doing this is because the starter wasn't turning the engine, and customer might be a little nervous that the engine is seized. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up so we can turn it by hand. If that doesn't do, then yeah, we got a bigger problem on our hands. Alright, so for the stator cover, you got a couple of screws right here. I think it's like 10. Get at it. 10 bolts later, you gotta show it a little love. There's prying points. One right there, but the air shifter's on the way, so you don't want to pry here. Pry on the front of that. All right, once you open it up, careful here, because this thing is gonna fall. All right, got it apart. Let's go ahead and turn this engine. Come on, you better turn. We're gonna go ahead and put everything back and continue to the next step. Make sure you guys align that little gear inside. Get the cover on by hand. Dowel pins are on both sides, one on this side, one on that side. Tighten everything up. All right, this thing is back together. We got the booster. We're neutral. The head scratch. Well, that's what I get. Gotta take this thing back apart. Part 2, follow along.